Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Music to add sound to your videos. It's just quick and easy, so let's go. So let's open up the app first, then let's swipe to the left, and let's take a video from our camera roll. So I'm gonna choose this one. And swipe up and choose music. You can choose or browse which kind of music would you like. So I'll choose this one. And as you can see, you can change the font, whatever you like. And you can also swipe left and right. Which lyrics would you like to use? As you can see, there is the most used on that side. If you're done, you can share this post to your stories. So this is how you use Instagram Music to add your sound to your videos. I hope you learned something. If you have questions on this video, please put it in the comment section below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and like.